What kind of door does the mechanical room have?
2 doors.
What kind of door does the mechanical room have? What kind of door does the mechanical room have?
A regular door.
What kind of door does the boiler room have upstairs?
The boiler room is downstairs.
Is the boiler room in the basement? What kind of door does the boiler room have downstairs? What kind of door does the boiler room have downstairs?
It has 2 regular doors. Are they locked?
No, they're opened.
Oh.
Opened. Does the boiler room have a light? Does the boiler room have a light?
I think so.
What does it have?
It has a light.
Do we turn it on? What happens if we turn it on?
And it explodes.
And then, what does the boiler room have in it? What does it have in it?
It has a boiler.
Boiler. Do we touch the boiler?
No.
What happens if we touch
You
it?
get very hurt. You get a big owie.
Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Hot.
Is it gonna be cold?
No.
Is it gonna turn off?
Nope.
What is it gonna do?
Stay on.
Man's gonna turn it off.
The man can turn it off.
And then we can look the boiler. And do you touch it when it's cold?
You don't touch the boiler.
I touched the boiler room door. If you touch the boiler room door, it will be hot. If you touch the boiler room, it will be warm.
Oh, yeah?